rolling video games. It's amazing. They come to your house. There's 4 flat screen TVs in the truck with any video game they could possibly imagine. And also, it came with a cake and 30 invitations with the package. Everything was done. And it's the first party I've ever had for him where everybody invited came.
The setup in there is amazing. It's like something I've never seen before.
I just had a party and I didn't have to do anything. I had a ball. The game coach did everything.
How many people are scared to have 16, 14-year-olds in your house? Me. They didn't even care if I was there. They were having the time of their life.
I mean, like, everybody's had the skating parties or the bowling parties or the movies and everything, but this is just so totally awesome, and nobody's ever done that.
Much different from
It's
anything
so cool.
else.
Yeah,
really.
My job is working with college-age students, and I can guarantee you that this is one of the best events that you can have for them.
He's 14, and yeah, after he was about 10, yeah, Spider-Man parties didn't work anymore.
Yeah, what else?
What else?
I mean,
it's just
there's nothing.
It's just everything that
There's nothing
that
else.
teenager could have.